During the holiday season, the pressure is there to spend.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
We've got 2 months basically of advertisements and Black Friday and all the flyers, 2 for 1, all these Boxing Day specials.
We'll give you 20% off your purchase if you buy like, you know, this.
But we fall for it. That's why we're in debt. We do.
You can't get away from
Just
it.
at home on your phone, and it's
That's
there.
right.
Next thing you know, you've spent $600 on what?
You don't realize what you're doing because it's so easy.
They make it so easy.
It's like you're just playing a video game, you know?
Yep.
But you're not.
It's a game you always lose.
Yep.
Because at the end of the day, you know, it's going to be your debt. It's going to be something that you're going to have to pay off.
One of the things I've learned is you do not go to stores when they're busy.
Go when it's not busy.
When it's quiet,
Off
make your own
hours.
decisions.
That's
Yes.
right.
Don't let outside people influence you to buy this and this and
When you
that.
see everyone grabbing something, you want to just grab it too.
Yes.
And if you leave it for too late, you go into the store and then you no second thoughts. You don't have time to think, should I buy this, should I not buy this? You just buy everything. You're like, well, I don't have a lot of time now. It's now or nothing. And then you just get it all because you don't think.
You got to be disciplined.
Yeah.
Especially around the holidays
Habit.
because it's so easy
Yes.
to fall into that and to
The temptation.
the temptation.
That's
Exactly.
where good habits come in.
Advertisement,
Exactly.
everything.
Yeah.
It's important to make a budget before you go out there and start shopping.
Just know what you're there for. Do your research about what you want first. Go in, get it, and leave.
That's
Good
what I'll do.
idea.
I'll make up a list, I'll put down the person's name.
That's right.
And I'll put down, okay, I gotta buy so-and-so this, so-and-so that.
That's
You'd be
great.
surprised how well that works.
Oh, yeah.
Don't wait last minute and then be like, oh, I gotta buy all this stuff at once. Make a budget before the holidays.
That's right.
And then just follow that budget.
That's right. It's hard in the beginning, but it gets easier. It really does.
It does. It becomes a habit.
And that's
It's
a habit
easy.
you're gonna like.
Yeah.
Instead
It's
of
a
our
habit you
bad
can
habits.
Exactly. Trade those bad habits in for good
That's
habits.
right.
Yes.
And then it'll be easy.
That's right.
It's easy to make the excuse of like, oh, it's for someone else. It's not for me. I'll just put it on credit. You know, I'll pay it off
Exactly.
eventually.
Yeah, their happiness is worth all this money that I'm.
That's right.
If they knew that it was putting you in debt,
That's
they wouldn't
right.
be happy
That's
about
right.
it.
Exactly.
That's right.
And at the end of the day, you're making yourself sad because you're putting yourself more in debt than you can afford.
I mean, there's many things that we can do. We don't necessarily have to buy things. We could take our loved ones to a trip to the CN Tower, or go to a museum, or take them to this place. It doesn't necessarily have to be a materialistic object.
I think it's just like giving time to people rather than things.
Yeah.
If they know, like, even if you make something, if you make it by hand, they feel like, oh, well, he spent
took the
time.
time.
He didn't just
True.
tap his card.
And it's more personal. It's I think they would
Sentimental
more
value.
sentimental.
More than a dollar
Right.
value.
The holidays are about fun, you know, being with family, being with friends, enjoyment, not, oh my God, how much money did I spend, stress and all of this stuff. Like, that's not what holidays are about.
When you have those few days off with the
Yeah,
family.
enjoy it.
Like, who wants to be thinking about, oh my God, how am I going to afford this when they're opening their gift?
Yeah, you can't enjoy it.
No, you can't.
If David Sklar helps me through the Christmas season without spending too much and helps me with my debt, I'm gonna buy them all Christmas presents.
Make sure it's
Homemade
homemade.
Christmas presents?
Make sure it's
I'm
homemade.
gonna make him presents.
Good job.